From the very first glance, the 2026 Corolla Cross impresses with its bold black finish, sleek body lines, and aggressive front grille. The LED headlights and sharp daytime running lights give it a modern, confident look. Around the back, the connected LED taillights add a premium feel, making this SUV stand out whether you're in the city or on the open road. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a clean, refined interior. Soft touch materials and subtle leather accents create a pleasant cabin experience. The driver's seat offers great comfort and a high seating position, giving excellent road visibility. All controls are logically placed and easy to reach. Everything feels natural, even on your first drive. Under the hood, the Corolla Cross offers versatile engine options. You can choose between a 1.8-liter gasoline engine or a more efficient 2.0-liter hybrid powertrain, both paired with a smooth, continuously variable transmission. The hybrid model delivers around 140 to 150 horsepower and is available in either front-wheel or all-wheel drive. Fuel economy is a strong point. Expect around 5.0 to 6.0 liters per 100 kilometers in the city. Driving the Corolla Cross is all about comfort and control. The suspension is well tuned to absorb road imperfections, and cabin noise is impressively low. Steering feels light in the city and stable at higher speeds. The braking system is sharp and responsive, giving you confidence in all conditions. Tech-wise, you get an 8 or 10-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Features like a rear-view camera, heated seats, adaptive cruise control, and lane-keeping assist make everyday driving easier and safer. Safety is front and center. With 7 airbags, Toyota Safety Sense driver assist systems, and high scores in crash safety tests, like Euro NCAP, it's a vehicle built with your family's protection in mind. When it comes to practicality, the Corolla Cross offers a roomy cargo area, about 440 to 480 liters, and comfortable rear seating. ISOFIX anchors make installing child seats a breeze. It's clearly built with families and daily needs in mind. Pricing? The base model starts around $30,000 to $32,000, while fully loaded hybrid variants can reach up to $38,000. Maintenance and spare parts are affordable and widely available, making ownership stress-free. VS competitors? Think Honda HR-V, Mazda CX-30, and Kia Seltos. While each has its strengths, the Corolla Cross stands out with Toyota's legendary reliability, fuel efficiency, and strong resale value. Who is it for? It's ideal for small families, daily commuters, young professionals, or anyone who values safety, practicality, and modern tech without going overboard. Final verdict. The 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross is a well-rounded, smart choice for anyone seeking a dependable, fuel-efficient SUV with all the modern features you need. What are your thoughts on the new Corolla Cross? Would you choose it over the competition? Let us know in the comments. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest car reviews.